Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point where unmovable files are located" error in Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable hibernation. First, close the disk management window. Now open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: power cfg.exe/hibernate off. Then press Enter. Once the command has completed successfully, close the Command Prompt window. Step 2. Disable the paging file. Open the Start menu and search for View Advanced System Settings. Open it. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Open the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Select No Paging File, then click Set. If Windows displays a warning message, click Yes. Click OK. Windows will notify you that a restart is required, but don't restart your computer just yet. Click OK. Step 3. Disable System Protection. Open the System Protection tab. Select your C drive. Then click Configure. Under Restore Settings, select Disable System Protection, click Apply. If prompted, click Yes to confirm, then click OK. Close the System Properties window. Step 4. Restart your computer. Now restart your computer so all the changes can take effect. After your PC restarts, open Disk Management again. Try shrinking your drive one more time. Windows should now allow you to shrink the volume by a much larger amount. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tutorials.